Gold yesterday created a bearish candle. It is a bearish breakout. We can see that after the price has several days tried to move down. The price yesterday made that and made this candle going below this area of support 3350.58. If you have watched yesterday analysis, I mentioned that I'm more inclined to see the price going further down, going below this area of support because of this selling pressure that is currently visible in the last 3 days. The price finally made that and closed the day below this area of support. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame how the price yesterday has behaved. We can see that yesterday the price has formed several bearish candles. So we can see how that strong was because these candles were pretty large ones, and the price made this bearish breakout below the 3325.75, and the target was here 3295.24, and from here the price found enough support to push the price returning back above this area of currently acting as support, but before that it was a resistance. We can see that 4-hour time frame, this area of support is somewhere a target for the sellers that have pushed the price down, and also the starting point for the buyers that has pushed the price returning back above. So what we can see on the 1-hour time frame is similar scenario where the price was in the bearish trend for several hours, and we can see after that the price is returning back above, reaching an area of resistance 33.30, which is a 4-hour time frame resistance level. On the daily time frame, we can see it is a bearish breakout, which means targeting lower levels. We can see that the price has stopped somewhere in here, where is a small support in between this daily resistance and daily support. This price has found smaller support, which is a 4-hour time frame support, and we can see the price has reached that area and bouncing back up. The price did not manage to close the daily candle below this area of support. We can see in this case when the price was acting similarly, where the price has formed this bearish breakout going below this area of support, the price has reached this area, also small support between this between the daily resistance and daily support. The price has returned back above, reaching again this area of resistance 3350.58, and then making a bullish breakout, continuing to rise in value. Is it the scenario the same as is it the scenario same like it is right now? It is the open question, but what I can see right now, the price will try to move a little bit up, trying to reach this area of resistance, just testing as a resistance and trying then moving further down. But this will be much more visible on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame. What we can see currently, it is a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, currently acting as support, which means the price will try to move further up. And what is the target is this area here. From here to here, this is the small resistance level that is just currently in front of the price. So I'm expecting the price will reach this area, which is 3339 and also 3343. This is the resistance that the price will try, potentially also reaching the daily resistance. This is the supply zone where the sellers are waiting. Will it happen? Well, it is an open question, because we can see that the price, when reaching this area of the supply zone, reaches very rarely, because we can see only wicks. There are no candles body here, which means a pretty strong selling pressure is here, and also the buying pressure needs to push the price harder to reach this area. Will it happen? Well, it depends. It depends also how strong this buying pressure is here, from this area of support. Will it manage to push the price all the way to the area of resistance, which is 3350.42? But for now, there is enough strength, at least what I can see on the market, that the price reaches 3339.61 and this area here 3343. So this is the daily target for today, that the price will retrace back up. This is the first step, and after that we will see what happens around this area of resistance. Will the price manage to push the price? Will the buyers push the price above this area of resistance, or the price will return back down, which is currently showing that it is a bearish breakout targeting lower levels. Now, based on the technical analysis, this is a bearish breakout, which means the price will try to move further down, reaching an area around this one, which will be around 3290, which is very close where the price has reached yesterday. So for now, the price, I'm expecting the price will retrace slightly back up around this area here, and then we'll see will the price manage to go further up, or it will return back down. And this is something that we need to watch closely. on the 1 hour time frame and also on the 4 hour time frame. So we can see on the 1 hour time frame the target is here 3340.57, and after that we will see what happens in this area here. If the price returns back down, this will be an information, also the target, that the price is trying to move further down following the technical analysis, which means further trying to reach this area very close to the support level 3272.61, but first of all 3285.87, which I have mentioned that is visible here around this area around 3286. We can see that where these candles bodies has opened and closed, not the wicks here. So this is the target what I'm expecting today. We'll closely watch what happens on the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, because it is also information that is showing us what will happen in the long term, which means during the day. Especially watch closely what happens around this area, because it is a pretty strong one where the selling pressure is still active, that has pushed the price down, and then we'll act accordingly. If the price managed to push the price, if the buyers manage to push the price above this area of resistance, this will be a great signal that the price has reversed back above, and it will try to move to the higher price levels, which means an area here 3371.21, which is a little bit stronger resistance than this one, and also the second one is this one. So let's watch closely what happens, and also pay attention that when there is a breakout happening on the market, I will inform the traders inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so you can also join to receive these updates, not only for the gold, but also for all of these symbols that you can see here on the chart. I'm sending information when there is a breakout happening, bullish or bearish, with the stop loss and the target. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.